Hello. Today I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two devices, all wearable devices. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or versus the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Which smart watch should you buy? Today we are comparing two of the best premium smartwatches available. Which one has the better display? Which smartwatch offers the best health and fitness features? How does the battery life compare? And the most important, which smartphone? Which smartwatch is the right choice for you? Stay until the end because I will summarize the biggest pros and cons of each device there. Let's go to design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 features a sleek, modern design with a premium aluminum or a stainless steel case, sapphire crystal protection, and a lightweight feel that comfortable is for everyday wear. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, on the other hand, is built for adventure. Its rugged titanium case, customizable action button, and a highly durable construction makes it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. If you prefer an elegant, everyday smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 8 stands out. If a durable and extreme outdoor performance are your priorities, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has the advantage. Let's go to the display. Both smartwatches feature a stunning AMOLED display with an always-on display support. The Galaxy Watch 8 delivers vibrant colors, deep black smooth animations, and an excellent visibility indoor and outdoors. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 features an incredible bright display that remains easy to read even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for hiking, cycling, and other workouts. Both displays are among the best currently available on the market for smartwatches. Let's roll to the performance. Excellent. App launches quickly. Menus are smooth. Notifications appear instantly. Voice assistant responds rapidly. Whether you are tracking workouts, replying to messages, or navigate through the apps, both watches provide a fast and responsive experience. Health features. One of the biggest reasons people buy smartwatches, of course. The Samsung heart rate monitoring, ECG, blood oxygen monitor, sleep tracking, skin temperature monitoring, body composition analytics, stress tracking, AI-powered wellness insights, automatic workout detection, and food detection, or not detection, it's food tracking. Wow. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes with heart rate monitor, ECG, blood oxygen monitor, sleep tracking, temperature sense, fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS, precision dual frequency GPS, depth guard, water temperature sensor, advanced fitness tracking. Whoa. Both watches are packed with the health and fitness technology, making them excellent choice for each active users. Let's go to the sports and fitness. If you're into sports, both smartwatches support everything you need. Running, walking, cycling, swimming, hiking, strength training, indoor workout, GPS route tracking, everything. The Galaxy Watch 8 excels with Samsung Health integrated and comprehensive wellness tracking. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is especially impressive for outdoor adventures, diving, trail running, and endurance sports thanks to rugged hardware and advanced navigation tools. Let's go to the battery. It's always a nice thing because the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 typically leads around 1 up to 2 days, depending on usage, display settings, GPS, and health monitoring. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 generally offers even longer battery life than the standard Apple Watches and can last for multiple days and under moderate use. With a low power mode, extend runtime even further. Heavy GPS users will reduce the battery, of course. I'm changing rapidly, so 1 up to 1.5 days. But I'm a heavy user as well. Let's go to the software and ecosystem facts. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, perfect for Android users, especially Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You will get seamless integration with the Samsung Health, the Google Services, Wear Operation System apps, Google Maps, Google Wallet, and any customization options. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 designed exclusively for the iPhone users. It integrates perfectly with the iOS, Apple Health, Apple Fitness Plus, Siri, Apple Pay, Messages, and FaceTime, and the entire Apple ecosystem. Unfortunately, it does not offer the support in Android devices. Let's go to the price, baby. The Apple Watch 2 usually comes at a higher price. It comes with a titanium construction and advanced outdoor features. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 often delivers outstanding value by offering a premium health tracking, excellent performance, and a more affordable entry price. So, which smart watch you should buy? Choose the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 if you use an Android smartphone, own a Samsung Galaxy phone, want excellent enhanced tracking, enjoy customization your smartwatch, and want outstanding value for money. Choose the Apple Watch Ultra 2 if you own an iPhone. Want the best Apple ecosystem integration, spend lots of time outdoors, need advantage GPS and adventure features, and prefer maximum durability. Ultimately, the decision is simple as well. Yeah, Android users, Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. iPhone users, Apple Watch Ultra 2. No matter which one you choose, both are among the best premium smartwatches available today. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!